To prep my skin, I'm going in with No Filter Poreless Base Smoothing Primer. I have some large pores around my nose area, so this primer does a really good job making them less noticeable. I'm going in with Woke Up Like This foundation in the shade 60 Light, and I'm using the IL Makiage brush number 100. If you need help choosing your right foundation, IL Makiage also offers Power Match Quiz to select your foundation and or concealer. At first, I was very skeptical that a quiz could match me, but the shade 60 is actually spot on, and it's the perfect summer shade for me since I usually tend to get a little bit more tan than, my normal skin color. This foundation literally blends in like butter, and it has a really nice finish. Now I'm going in with the Flawless Concealer in the shade 1.5. I like to apply this concealer underneath my eyes, on my nose, and then a tiny amount on my chin as well. To blend this concealer, I'm using the IL Makiage brush number 100. This concealer feels super lightweight and it does a really good job at brightening my under eyes. To set my face in, I'm using the transparent loose powder. This powder does a really good job at setting my makeup in to keep my foundation and concealer nice and protected throughout the day. For the eyebrows, I'm going in with the Brow Factor Longwear Eyebrow Gel in the color Caramel. I think this is my new favorite brow gel. It's literally so pigmented, so you have to literally just use the tiniest amount, which is amazing because then at least you have the product last you a very long time. You can use the concealer to kind of just like clean up your brows. If you can see, it does a huge difference. For the eyeshadow, I'm going in with the Color Boss Squad eyeshadow called The Shots. First, I'm going in with the darkest shade in the palette. It's very easy to blend, and there was literally absolutely no fallout. By adding that darker shade in my outer corners, it's going to help me achieve that smoky, natural eyeshadow look. All of these shades are so pigmented and very easy to blend in. For the inner corners, I'm going in with the stunning champagne pearl toned shimmer shade. For the eyeliner, I'm going in with the ink liner. This eyeliner is very pigmented and I absolutely love the tiny tip. It's very precise, very easy to use, and I love this eyeliner. Now I'm going in with the Icon High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara. I'm absolutely in love with this packaging of this mascara. It's so stunning. If you guys want a lengthening mascara, this is literally it. For the lips, I'm going in with the waterproof lip liner in the shade Mango. This lip liner has the perfect texture. It's not too hard, but it's also not too soft. So it's very easy to use when you're trying to line your lips. Now I'm going in with a Dirty Talk lipstick in the shade Betty. This lipstick has matte finish, but it still keeps my lips very hydrated throughout the day. The best part, the color stays through the day and it doesn't smudge off. Speaking of not budging, to set my face in, I'm going to use the Perfect Finish Hydrating Setting Spray. This does really do an amazing job at keeping your face hydrated and very glowy. Lastly, I'm going in with the Lip Service lip gloss in the shade Bad Habit. It's so smooth, it literally glides onto my lips so perfectly. I love it. This is the final look. I absolutely loved all of these products, and my makeup has never looked better.